This chapter focuses on the confusion between rob and steal. These words may seem similar, but they're used differently in sentences. For instance, saying someone robbed my watch is incorrect, because a robber robs a person or place, not a thing. Let's look at how to use them correctly. Let's correct the mistakes. Someone stole my watch is correct because a thief steals things. The thief robbed the bank is correct because a thief robs people or places. Also, we say robbed of something, like robbed of his money. So, remember, rob equals person, place, steal equals object. Here are two easy examples. They robbed the old man, the target is a person. He stole a gold ring, the item is the focus. Use this simple rule, rob equals person to place, steal equals object. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.